Hello, and welcome to the channel. Today we are going to explore an important feature in the Firefox Beta browser on mobile devices. If you often use multiple tabs while browsing, you might want to have a visible tab bar. First, open the Firefox Beta browser on your mobile device. Once the browser is open, tap on the three-dot menu icon. Next, from the menu that appears, tap on Settings. After that, look for the Customize section within the settings and tap on it. Next, under the tab bar display section, you will find an option called Show Tab Bar. Then, simply turn on the Show Tab Bar option by tapping the toggle switch next to it. This makes it easier to view and switch between multiple tabs while you are browsing on your mobile device. If you found this video helpful, please like it, share it, and subscribe to the channel for more useful mobile browsing tips.